Welcome back. This is my demo of an AI employee using voice AI for inbound calls.
Calls recorded for quality assurance.
Thank you for calling Agency Chargers Insurance. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, I was calling about the 7-year rule. I saw it online and I was wondering if it applied to my policy.
A team member will reach out to you with an answer regarding the 7-year rule. Could I have your name, please?
Robertdon?
Just to make sure I've got it right, your name is Robertdawn. Is that correct?
No, it's Robertdon.
Got it. Your name is Robertdon. Thanks for clarifying. Could I have your email address, please?
hello@example.com.
I didn't catch the first part of your email. Could you please spell it out for me?
HELLO@example.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is HELLO@example.com. Is that correct?
Yippers.
Great, thanks. Could you tell me a bit more about the issue you're facing today?
Yes. I just wondered if the 7-year rule applies now or in the future on my current policy.
Got it. A team member will reach out to you with more information about how the 7-year rule applies to your policy. Thanks for your patience. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Do you have any contact information for someone there?
Please check your text messages as I am having our owner get in touch with you now. I've sent you the contact information via text. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Actually, yeah, go ahead and transfer me to somebody now. I'd like to speak to a human, if you can do that.
Sure, just a second while I transfer you to an agent. All right, I'm transferring you to a human agent now. Please.